Sairam children, hope you all are doing well. So today is your environmental studies period and today we are going to do the written work of chapter number 6, the clothes we wear. Chapter number 6, the clothes we wear. So this is the page. Here it is written that draw a picture of the clothes you like to wear. What you have to do here? Here you have to draw a picture of the clothes that you like to wear and then you have to color the picture. You can draw one picture or you can draw more than one picture of your favorite clothes. Okay. So now let's revise once again what we have learned. Now I have told you that there are many kinds of clothes that we wear. So here are some types of clothes. Okay children. First one is a frock. F R O C K frock. F R O C K frock. Girls wear frocks. Now second is sweater. S W E A T E R. S W E A T E R. Sweater. Then is skirt. S K I R T. Skirt. S K I R T. Skirt. Then is t-shirt. T, then is a hyphen, S H I R T, shirt. T shirt. Then shorts. S H O R T S, shorts. Shorts. S O C K S, socks. Socks. You wear socks on your feet. The last, cap. C A P, cap. C A P, cap. Where you wear a cap? You wear a cap on your head. Okay children. Now let's do reading of this chapter once again and we'll revise it also. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from the heat. They also keep us warm when it is cold. Now, clothes protect us from the heat of the sun and they also keep us warm when it is cold. When it is cold, you wear woolen clothes, right? So they also keep us warm when it is cold. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. Okay, we wear different type of clothes in different at different times. Okay, when it is hot, we wear clothes made of cotton. When you feel hot, what kind of clothes do you wear? You wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keeps our body cool. See, these are the cotton clothes. They are wearing the cotton clothes, right? Then when it is cold, we wear clothes made of wool. When it is cold, we wear clothes made of wool. That is, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Look at this picture. They are wearing woolen clothes. They are wearing woolen clothes. They are wearing cap on their heads and they are wearing sweaters. They are wearing shoes, socks and gloves. Yes. So woolen clothes keep us warm. Now the next page. When it rains, we carry umbrellas. Which season is this, children? It is the rainy season. So when it rains, what do you carry with you? You carry umbrellas with you. Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. So what do we wear? Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. Okay, children? Now let's do this matching. I have done it for you. So the first picture is of a skirt, and skirt is written over here. So you have to match the skirt with this word. Okay? Now here this is a shorts. These are shorts. So first word is shorts. You have to match the word shorts. Then what is written here? Socks. Where are the socks? Look at the pictures. These are the socks. Match the word socks with the picture. Then salwar kameez. Where is salwar kameez? Here. So you have to match it with the salwar kameez. Okay. Then is sweater. Then is sweater. Where is sweater? It is already done for you. Then is blouse. Where is the blouse? Here is the blouse. Then raincoat. Where is raincoat? Here. And the last one, t-shirt. Match the picture of the t-shirt with the word. Okay, children, I hope you can do this with yourself. Now mark the sentences as true or not true. One has been done for you. See, children, if the sentence is true, you have to put a tick, and if it is not true, you have to put a cross. Okay, children? Now the first one, we wear clothes to cover our body. Is it true or not true, children? We wear clothes to cover our body. It is true. So you have to put a tick over here. Okay? Put a tick. Now the second one, clothes keep us warm when it is cold, isn't it? When you feel cold, you wear woolen clothes, right? So this is also correct. Okay, clothes keep us warm when it is cold. It is true. Okay. Now the next one, when it is cold, we wear cotton clothes. So when it is cold, we wear cotton clothes. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. When it is cold, we wear woolen clothes, and we wear cotton clothes when we feel hot. So you have to put a cross. Okay. Now we carry an umbrella when it rains. When it rains, what do you carry with you? You carry an umbrella. Is it true? Yes. So you have to put a tick. And the last one, we wear a raincoat when it is hot. Do you wear a raincoat when it is hot? No, you wear a raincoat when it rains. The fifth one is wrong. Put a cross. Okay, children? Now, tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. Children, what you have to do here? Here a sentence is given. We wear cotton, woolen clothes in winter. In the brackets, two words are given. Cotton and woolen. From these two, one is the correct word. So you have to put a tick on the correct word. Okay. Now, we wear cotton woolen clothes in winter. Come on, tell what type of clothes do you wear in winter? Do you wear what, cotton clothes or woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. You put a tick on the word woolen. You have to put a tick above the word, not below the word. Okay. Now, the second one, an umbrella coat keeps us dry when it rains. Come on, children, what keeps us dry when it rains? An umbrella keeps us dry when it rains. Put a tick above the word umbrella. Now, the third one, we wear pants, socks on our feet. What do we wear on our feet? Pants or socks? We wear socks on our feet. Put a tick on the word socks. Okay. Now, the fourth one, cotton clothes keep us cool, warm in summer. Come on, tell. Cotton clothes keep us cool in summer or warm in summer? Cotton clothes keep us cool in summer. So put a tick above the word cool. And the last one, we wear a cap, belt on our head. We wear a cap on our head or we wear a belt on our head? We wear a cap on our head. So put a tick on the word cap. Put a tick above the word cap. Okay, children? I hope you all have understood this much. You have to do this written work in your book. Okay, children? And you have to do it in beautiful handwriting. Okay, I hope you understood it very well. Take care. Salam.